Hey everyone, I'm from Regrob.com, India's leading tech-enabled real estate brokerage firm, and today we are visiting at Ideal Greens project by Ideal Group, which is located in Tollygunge, Kolkata. So this is the exterior view of phase 1 and the possession of phase 1 will be available by mid of 2019. So this is the whole locality. As you can see, it's an under construction project. So now this is the main entrance. And that's the exit gate of the project. Now this is the main road and this way leads to Tollygunge. And this way leads to Behala Sakher Bazaar. So now we are inside the project, and this project is built across 11.7 acres of land and carries 10 number of towers with G+14 to G+18 floors. This project offers 2 BHK, 3 BHK, 4 BHK and duplex air-conditioned apartments. This project carries total 852 number of units and 82% of open space. So friends, this is the view of large natural water body which is in front of the project. So this is the whole view of the project. So this is the surrounding. So thank you friends for watching this video. For more real estate updates, kindly subscribe to our channel, and for booking, kindly call us at the given number. Thank you.